We have the full moon in Leo on Thursday. We have Venus conjunct Pluto as well. Thursday is a day to really feel the fullness of the fire that you breathe into society, giving it life. And when you breathe that into society and you feel that fullness of who you are, allow that feeling to help you let go of old ways of existing and outlive things that are no longer serving you, and you know it and you've known it for some time. Because if you allow yourself to do this and prepare to embody the fullness of that energy, because we have to look at that a full moon is just the reflection of the sun's energy. And so the progression of the full moon, the progression of the moon is allowing us step by step by step to feel the fullness of the sun's energy. And so in the full moon, this is just the reflection of the sun's energy of who you are, teaching you step by step by step how to embody the fullness of that energy. And so embrace that and allow that to help you let go of outlived ways of existing. Because if you do this on Thursday, this is going to help accelerate your evolution throughout the week as well.